Today I have a Maserati, and I'm going to show you how to reset the windows in a Maserati. So say for instance, your battery went dead, you had to change your battery or something would happen. You're gonna have to reset your windows, each individual one of them, right? And to calibrate them. I'm gonna show you how to do that, go through all the steps. So before I get started, if you found my video helpful in any way, give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I am in the Maserati behind the steering wheel. In order to reset the windows, I'll simply make sure the vehicle's on, okay? You cannot do it if the vehicle's off. It can either be in the on setting or you can have the engine running on setting. So I'm just gonna turn the engine on all complete. And then I am going to look to the left-hand side. And you see, this is where the controls are. Now what you want to do for each individual window that needs to be reset, you'll go ahead and take this, you see this, and I'll roll the window down, press that to open up the window. And once it gets down, I'll wait 5 to 10 seconds before I do the next option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so after 10 seconds, I'm gonna take this and immediately raise it up. Immediately raise it up until it goes all the way up. And I'm gonna hold it for 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And at 10 seconds, I will release it. And now the window is reset and it's acting normal. Now you may have to do this for each individual window in order for it to work on all the windows. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.